Marine house healing. And obviously you don't always get the luxury and enjoyment of being a house guest in the building that you're healing. Now, this particular room here had a stress energy line leading from the kitchen, the bathroom, the lounge, the dining room, the hallway, into the bedroom, this bedroom, and to the left side of the bed. That's quite easy to figure out because 3 of the walls have fitted drawers, cupboards, wardrobes, and an area for the bed. I figure that this stress line was created in 1993 to 1996 and that the person has died. This person never went into this room. Now, you might recognize the flowers I've been using as a marker too, and my house healing notes. So this room was free of any detrimental energies. The person with that stress line never went into the sunroom, but it's very possible that the sunroom hadn't been built during that time period. Let's move on. Over the dog barrier. Maybe you can see that door behind there. Behind there is the dining room, and the dining room was actually free of stress, as was the hall behind it. That is probably because I had cleared all the stress lines and there was no other residual stress. Behind the dining room, which is a bit of a useless piece of space, the same distance is a hallway, and the hallway, after it had the stress line cleared, healed, was also free of stress. And this is the window to the dining room. Okay. Here we have the main lounge, and probably, if I'm very close, yes, you can see that the bathroom is there. Both of these rooms had a residual stress level of -1, and this brick wall is the lounge, and behind the lounge is the kitchen, and that had a stress level of -1. So pretty low really, but it's still registered. And here is the back of the garage, and that is clear of any residual stress. So healing that stress line was the principal form of healing needed for this house. Oh, and there wasn't any stress behind the front door, but I'd already established that.
Time flies, and here is another episode of Marine House Whisperer for you to enjoy and share with your friends.